Frederic Edwin Church was born on May 4, 1826, died April 7, 1900. He was an American landscape painter born in Hartford, Connecticut. He was a central figure in the Hudson River School of American landscape painters, best known for painting large landscapes, often depicting mountains, waterfalls, and sunsets. Church's paintings put an emphasis on realistic detail, dramatic light, and panoramic views. He debuted some of his major works in single painting exhibitions to a paying and often enthralled audience in New York City. In his prime, he was one of the most famous painters in the United States.